All right, I just got this. I'm not even sure what it is. Came in the mail. Let's open it up. See what the heck we got. I think it's some kind of, what is this? Oh, it's a keychain. And there's a little button on top. So let's see what it does. Oh, it's a light. It's a keychain light. See that? All right, so it's got blinky, blink, blink. Oh, look at it. It's got little eyes on it. And they blink too. And that's how you turn it off. So let's go through all the stages. First stage, low light. Second stage, stronger light. Third stage, blinky light. Fourth stage, eyeballs. Fifth stage, eyeballs blink. And last but not least, off. So there you go. You got your little turtle. And we got, check them out. We got 1, 2, hang on, we got 3 of these things. We got 3 of them. Let's turn them all on. There they are. Oh, almost blinded myself. Oh, and it does come with a USB-C, and on the bottom of them, you charge them right there. So you would plug that in and plug it into your block. And bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.